Buenos dias, hermosura. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello. My name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. It has been a while since we made food on this channel, so let's go ahead and do that. Today, we are going to be making tortas de pierna, and I'm going to show you guys how I eat my tortas now that I got weight loss surgery. I could eat bread. Sometimes it doesn't really sit that well with my stomach, so I choose to not eat that much bread. I'm going to show you guys how I modify my plate so I can, still eat what everybody else is eating, but, just a little different. If you guys want to know how to make tortas de pierna and how I eat my food, then keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because that helps me out a lot and you can see more of me. Okay, hermosuras. So as you guys know, if you guys remember, I do cook for a family of 2.5. I have 1 pound of pierna de puerco, 3 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 whole onion. I also have 3 fingers worth, whatever your 3 fingers get from like the little jar of Mejorana, cumin, and pepper. Also 6 to 8 Chile California. Salt to taste, of course. We're gonna need some tomatoes, some onions, some lettuce, butter, mayo, bolillo, avocado, ketchup, jalapeños, all that good stuff. Move on to actually cooking the meat. In a pot, you're going to add enough water to cover the meat. We're gonna add the 3 garlic cloves, the whole onion, the 2 to 3 cloves, los clavos de olor, the bay leaves también, and we're gonna add a pinch of salt. All this on medium to low heat. We're gonna cover it up. I'm not gonna put too much salt on it because the sauce is gonna have a little more salt, plus the mayo and the mustard and all that stuff. So we don't want it to be overpowered by salt. All right, hermosa. So while that's going, we're gonna go ahead and de-seed, devein, and wash our chiles. We're gonna put that in a pot. And we're gonna put that with the 2 jitomates. This is for the salsa. So we're gonna cook it until the jitomates are nice and the little skin comes off easily. Also, you can go ahead and check on your meat. If the fork goes in nicely, like easily, it's ready. If you're having a hard time, it's not ready, girl. Keep it on that medium to low heat covered until it's ready. To establish that your meat is ready, you're gonna go ahead and take it out and we're going to pull it apart. You can pull it apart with your hands, with forks. You could put it on your KitchenAid. You could do it with the mixer. The point is pulling it apart. Now that you have that going on, your tomatoes and your chiles should be done. Your tomatoes should be with the skin already off. So what you're going to do, you're just going to add all that to a blender. We're also going to be el comino, the cumin, and the pepper. We are also going to go into our pot and fish out the 3 garlic cloves and the whole clavos de olor, the bay leaves. No juice, no nothing. You're just going to put that in the blender and give it a nice blend. I usually let the blender go for about 2 minutes on high. Once you have that all nice and blended, you're going to strain it. Yes, strain it. Make sure you use a strainer so you don't get that chile particles or any of the big pieces of whatever. And then you're going to add your meat. Now you could do this on a pan. You can go ahead and cook everything, but I actually like cooking everything and warming up the bolillo. So you can actually put butter or mayonnaise or even hasta crema, depending on what you like or what you want to do or what you have on hand. We just put a little bit of mayonnaise, put it face down, make sure you crisp the birotes up, the bolillo up, and then we're gonna go ahead and assemble. We're gonna put the meat, then the lettuce, tomato, onion, jalapeños, mustard, ketchup. Put a little bit of mayonnaise more if you want, and then ponle tus aguacates. Close it up, give it a nice cut, and there you guys have it. It is super delicious, super easy to make. Now, this is usually how you would eat a torta de pierna, right? As I said before, ketchup, mustard, all that good stuff, aguacate, and of course, the bolillo. But now, does it pain me that I can't eat tortas de pierna like everybody else? No, because I'm still gonna get that, deliciousness with how I make it. It's just modifying your plate, so you can still enjoy what everybody else is enjoying. So what I do, I weigh everything out. Yes, I weigh my food out. 1 ounce of lettuce, 2 ounces of meat, some onion, tomato, 1 teaspoon of sour cream, jalapeños. It doesn't irritate my stomach. Everybody is different. And then just a little bit of mustard and ketchup just to give it a nice taste. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys like this video. I am trying to bring more and more food back, more like bariatric friendly foods, and how I modify my plate so I could still eat that delicious Mexican food, although I did get the surgery and stuff like that. But yeah, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, all that good stuff. I will leave all that link down below. And obviously, don't forget to subscribe because that will help me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!